Hey dolls, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Christian Louboutin inspired spike heel coffee table book. What the hell did I just say? Anyway, so this is inspired by the Louboutin Christian spiked heel gold collection. So grab your coffee, grab your tea. Let's do this DIY video, and also this is the baby version, so this is the mini Mummy and Me version, and I showed you dolls that before in my last video with doing Jimmy Choos, and I just spray painted the bottom. It's pink, the page is pink, so not pink, sorry, red. What am I thinking? This is a Louboutin video. Anyway, let's do this DIY. So I got this foil from Hobby Lobby, and this is just a self-adhesive sticker type foil paper, and you can just apply it to your book and it's just easy to use. So here is the book from Dollar Tree. I've already spray painted the edges, the pages of the book, and I'm just going to show you on camera how, I spray paint and what spray paint I used. And this is the part I'm going to spray paint right here. And here's the baby version of the book, and I'm going to do that for the baby version as well, the kids version. So I'm using my Krylon red spray paint, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to shake the spray paint and put newspaper underneath and spray paint the edges, and it's a very gorgeous apple red colour. And just give it a second coat so it can be very, very red. So this is how the baby version looks. I'm waiting for the big version to dry so I can show you. And it's like super red, just like the back of the Louboutin heels. And here is how the big version looks like, and this is the one that is going to be gold. So it's dry and ready to go. Okay, so this is the foil that I used, and it's from Hobby Lobby, and it was about $9 or $10 I'd say. And here is the Louboutin sticker. I ordered it on Etsy, and I'll put all the link details down below in the description box. And here are some of the spikes, and I got them online. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use that, maybe, not sure, but here's the tiny ones as well to just give texture, and these are the big ones in case you didn't see it. So not sure if I'm going to use these ones. I'll show you how they look like later on. They're just, yeah, not sure. And those are the little ones. And here's the spray can, which is $3.49 from Hobby Lobby. And of course, as usual, scissors are always needed in these projects. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this at the edge of the book. Cut that out. I'm not sure, maybe not. Maybe I'll put spikes on the edges, like right here. We'll figure it out, but I'm going to try and see. That's where I want that to be. Not sure yet. And here's the baby version. Look. So I'm peeling off the foil paper sticker, don't know what you want to call it, and I'm going to just be very careful because you don't want any bumps or ridges inside it. And sorry, my front facing camera is really bad because the lighting right here is bad, so just bear with me. I'm going to place my book right in the center of this sheet very carefully, because again, you don't want any bubbles, and I'm going to make sure the back is good, and then gently open the side, and watch how I'm going to just smooth it out. You don't want any piece, like you can see there's a little bit of bubbles. I'm just going to smooth all of that out so it looks really clean and seamless. And now I'm going to just fold it in the inside. This is a cheap way of doing it, but no one's opening this up, so it doesn't really matter. I'm still going to clean it up anyway. So make sure there's no ridges, no bumps. You want it very seamless and smooth. And that's how it's going to look. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut the bottom of it. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Just cut right in the middle. Can you see where I cut? I'm going to do it on all 4 corners. Okay, so I'm now going to fold it. Can you see why I made the cut? I'm going to fold it inside. This is a cheap way. No one opens the inside of this. This is just for strictly decoration, this book. There's nothing to read in the inside because it's not about Christian Louboutin. So fold the insides, and it's self-adhesive so it sticks. And do the same thing on the back. You can see the spray paint got to the back because no one's opening this book. As I said, it's a decoration. It's just decor for your living room. And I'm just going to snip this off at the edge. Make sure it's just all the way off. Oh my god, the battle with my scissors is awful. Okay, so just snip it off and make sure it's really neat. So now we're good. I have cut all the little loose pieces off in the end because I just want a little bit of neatness so it's not bulky when I close the book, and looks like we're ready to go. So here's how the book looks like before all the studs and spikes come on here, and it's really good. It looks good right now alone as it is. Next I'm going to take my Louboutin sticker. So you have to be really careful, place it down, face down, and make sure every little piece is pressed down. You have to be really careful with this, and I suggest using a sharp thing to pull this off because acrylic, well, gel nails or whatever I have on is really difficult to pull with, but there we go. So as I said, really gently press down the edges, and if it's like not sticking, go like do what I'm doing right now, and then make sure you keep going back. Pat it down and pull. Pat and pull. That's what I'd say you should do with this. So you can see that little letter. I'm gonna go, pat it down and pull, and there we go. Wow, it looks so gorgeous. OMG, this actually looks like it's a legit Christian Louboutin book. Like they made this already, but this is all my idea. 100% my idea. I wish they're watching. They would actually love this. It's gorgeous. Wow. Oh my god. So it's down. It looks gorgeous. Like I can leave it as it is, but of course I'm extra and I want to add my design. Well, the Louboutin design, the spikes on here, just to give it that extra 3D look. Okay, so here are my studs and spikes, and I'm going to explain, you know, what I'm using. I wanted to use small ones like that one and this one slightly bigger, just to give it texture. As I say, it works, as I said in my Jimmy Choo video, and if you haven't watched it, go check it out. We can't use this one here because it has like these little, you know, you see the edges. That's not gonna work, and I can't really press it down with these nails, and it just won't work. So yes, we're not using it in this project, but anyway, we're gonna use these two, and yeah. So to attach all of these, I'm gonna be using my E6000 glue. So I put down the glue, and this glue is, I'm gonna do it differently because it's leaving glue marks everywhere. Like, can you see how, you know, and you're gonna see how I cleaned it up after, but I've learned from this a different way of putting the glue down, so I'm gonna share that in my next video. So I've already put glue down, and I'm just gonna attach the little studs and spikes onto the book. So I'm just gonna let you watch see how I do it. And there's no like rhyme or reason, I'm just doing it like everywhere, scattering them around. By the way, as you can see, it's hard to grab when you have like fake nails or long nails, whatever you want to call it. It's really hard to grab these. Do I keep saying crystals? Spikes. I don't know why I keep saying crystals. And just put them in random places. Be really careful with the glue because it really kind of messed me up in this project. but I've learned another way of adding them down without having glue everywhere, so I'm definitely going to do a part 2 of this book. So I don't like the way the glue is making like a spider web, so I'm going to use this little needle here for sewing, or pin actually, and pick it out, and I got a lot of it out by doing this. So here are the books, and you have to excuse the glue marks. It really was a mess. I'm gonna do it differently next time, but here's the baby book to join the mummy book. So here you can make this book for like your daughter, your niece, anyone that you know, a little girl that would love this in her room or nursery. This is perfect, a perfect gift. And I plan to sell them on Etsy. Comment below if you want me to sell it on Etsy. Put hashtag sell on Etsy, or just put hashtag Etsy and a love heart, whatever. Just let me know in the comment section below, because I do plan to sell these designer books. Stay tuned, Chanel will be coming soon, and Gucci. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy my content and you love my DIY, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you loved in this video, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye. Love you dolls.